In this video, I'm going to be teaching you 5 easy steps to creating a YouTube video without stress. But before then, hear me out. Get on YouTube now. Like, get started on YouTube, like right now. I mean, what are you waiting for? There are a lot of people out there that needs you to be a solution to them, either as an entertainer or as an educator. So get on YouTube today. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. If those big channel guys can do it, then we can actually do it. Get on YouTube today. What are you waiting for? There are a lot of people out there that needs your solution to strive. Okay. The more you keep delaying, the more they keep waiting, the more they keep lacking. You have your own audience that has been assigned to you. So why are you wasting time? Why are you procrastinating? I'll make a video today. I'll make a video tomorrow. Time is not on your side. Get started today. The earlier you get started, the better for you. Okay. I was once in your shoes, right? I would say I'll make a video today, I'll make a video tomorrow. And eventually, it took me almost 2 years to make that decision to get started. And I'm happy I actually did. I'm happy I actually took the bull by the horn and I'm here today. And that is why I'm making this video, especially for you watching this video, because before you must have clicked this video, you have actually had a thought about being a creator here on YouTube. Trust me, YouTube is actually everything you need to do right now. Are you a student? Are you a stay-home mom? Are you a man? Are you married? Are you single? Whatever it is you're doing, you can actually do YouTube and still do your 9 to 5. I mean, YouTube is literally giving out money for doing something you love. YouTube is actually monetizing your hobbies. Somebody like me, I like to teach, okay? I like to teach, I like to talk. And now YouTube is rewarding me for doing what I love. I mean, that is like free money. Don't you want free money? I know I do. I don't know about you, but to be honest, you need to get started. So the first thing you're going to do in creating a YouTube video is to make a title, okay? Make a title for your video. What is it going to be about? Make a title that is already working, okay? Don't just start a title from nowhere. Search, do your research and create a title that is already working as regarding the video you're going to make, okay? That way, you have already started the first step. And then the second thing you're going to do is to create a thumbnail. Create a thumbnail that describes or that best describes your video and the title of your video. Let's assume you want to make fried rice. That's the title of your video. Create a thumbnail that relates to that particular topic or title of your video. Do you understand me? So that is the second thing for you to do. And then the third thing for you to do is to actually create an introduction. Create an introduction that concerns the video that you're going to make. Okay, if you don't have ideas how to get started, you can use AI, like your Meta AI on your WhatsApp or your Chat GPT. Get ideas from them and then restructure it to your own ideas, okay? Add your own spice to it. Create an introduction that is very catchy, that when your video starts, you will capture the attention of your audience, okay? And the next thing you're going to do is to write a script, okay? This one is very important. Like I will always say, don't start a YouTube video or YouTube channel by talking about yourself. Yes, you will have the time of talking about yourself, but first of all, be a solution to people's challenge. Answer other people's questions first. Do what is trending. Answer people's questions. What are people searching for? What are they having challenges with? Solve it first. By the time you are done answering that question or solving those people's challenges, then you will have an audience that will love you and stick around in your channel. Do you understand? That way, you can now start sharing things that concerns you, okay? Because trust me, by now you have already established your presence, thereby giving you people that will give you a listening ear, okay? You have your own audience now because you have showed them value. You have given them value for their time. So now they will give you time and value for your own time. They will even give you attention. So you can start sharing your own challenges. You can start asking your own questions. Whatever problems you're having, you can start sharing it and you see them responding to you because now you have built a community that is going to be there for you, that's going to stand by you. Do you understand me? So yes, this way you've already established a presence, like I said before, and now you have an audience that love you and will give you their time and give you attention for the value you have given them at the initial stage. Okay, so it's after writing a script that you will now shoot it into a video. Okay, this time around you can now go ahead and set up your camera. Make sure you have proper lighting. Just arrange yourself like the normal YouTube videos you are seeing. You can go through my videos, go through other YouTubers videos to see how it's positioned, how it's done. Okay, just put everything you have scripted, put it into a proper video, okay, in a landscape form that you can actually post on YouTube. All right, so By the time you are done shooting your videos, then the final thing to do is to edit your videos. This is the most simplest but still the most complex method or steps in creating a video. Yes, editing can be very good in your video, but it can also be very tiring. So it's a good thing that you learn at least the basics of editing, even if you're not so pro in editing, but at least learn the basics. And if you know you don't know how to edit, you can actually drop it in the comment and I will make a detailed video of how I easily edit my videos for YouTube. Okay, yeah, I know it might be hard for a lot of you, but trust me, the more you do it, the better you become. So edit your videos and do the necessary things. Wherever you need to put transition. Wherever you need to adjust it, increase the brightness, change background, increase the volume of the video. Just play around with the app generally. So yes, when you are done editing, you will see that you have successfully created one YouTube video for your channel. Okay, after you are done editing, please watch your videos over and over. You can rewatch it to see if what you've done is accurately done. Okay, yes, if it's accurate, if it's proper, all the mistakes, if there's any errors, please trim it out of the video. Okay, as a YouTuber, you need to learn how to trim videos because that could also come in handy. You'll be needing it. There are some errors, there are some parts where you made a mistake that you will definitely trim. So all those are done while you are editing your videos. Go ahead and trim it and then watch your videos and make sure there is no mistakes. And after you have done all of this, it is time to upload your video. So you go ahead and upload it. Okay, upload it, and then please, after uploading, go back and repeat this same process again to create another video. Don't just stay there, don't stay stuck or wait for that one, be watching this, how many views, how many views. Even if it doesn't have any views, don't worry about that. Just go back to your studio and repeat all of this process from the first one, which is the title, to make a title, to create the thumbnail, to get an introduction, to write a script and shoot into a video, and then to edit a video. So by the time you keep repeating this process to and fro, you will see that you might have gotten at least 10 videos at the end of a month. Okay, 10 videos at the end of the month is better than you procrastinating or not having any videos at all. So just go ahead and repeat this process over and over, and then over time you see that your channel will be growing even more than your expectations. At least as a new YouTuber, you should have at least 20 videos at the end of the month. If you're not doing too much, at least 20. But if you know you don't have the time, at least 10 is enough. You having 10 videos puts you on the edge, on like somebody else that have like 3 5 videos at the end of the month. You cannot compare yourself with big YouTubers because these people have already established their presence and they have their audience. So whatever they put out there, even if it's once a month, once in 2 months, they will still get the kind of engagement that they want. Okay, if you can do all of this like I've stated, then you see your YouTube channel growing very fast. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.